Welcome back everybody to the video, and today the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and how it might be having one of the best features and also one of the most advanced features you might be seeing, which is a fingerprint scanner that's underneath its display. Just a few days ago, everyone was told that Samsung had canceled plans to place the Note 9's fingerprint scanner underneath the display. This news came from Ming-Chi Kuo, which is an analyst with a great track record with predictions in the mobile market, and his main focus has always been Apple and its iPhone. Right now, new reports say that Samsung is actually going forward with the plan, and in many different months, we have seen Samsung launching numerous different patents showing off that they do have a deep interest in putting a fingerprint scanner underneath the display. Now, a source told the Korean Herald, and it says, Samsung Display has prepared 3 or 4 solutions for Samsung Electronics to embed the fingerprint scanner inside the main display, and both are seriously considering one of the solutions. Now, this is very important since we definitely will be seeing Samsung adding some sort of new advanced feature inside their smartphone. And the report also notes that a design for a flagship Samsung phone is finalized about 5 months before its launch, and the Note 9 is expected to be hitting shelves in late August, so the handset design is theoretically now to be a done deal. Now, another different source says that Samsung Display is also working on to improve the overall fingerprint scanning technology for a flexible display, and one of the biggest things about the Note 9 is it's definitely going to be a business smartphone, and we may be seeing the fingerprint scanner only in one area of the whole entire smartphone. Another big thing is the Herald also notes that in-display fingerprint sensors also come with higher costs than Apple's Face ID cameras due to their complexity. Now, low yields are also expected to be a major problem for any company if they're making like a fingerprint sensing technology. That shouldn't be affecting Samsung since they only sell about 10 million Note phones each year. Thanks for watching. Comments below how do you feel about the scanner.